Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So in today's video we are going to talk about factorization of perfect square expressions. So before we dive deep into the topic, we must understand what is factorization first. Okay? So let us say we have a number 10. We know that 10 can be written in this way, 1 into 10, right? And then again we can write 2 into 5 in this way. So here the number 1, 2, 5, 10, these are called factors of 10. Factors of 10. So what numbers can be considered as factors? Okay, so you can see 10, if it is divided by 1, the remainder will be 0. So we can call 1 is a factor. Likewise, if we divide 10 by 2, 5 and 10 itself, then we will get the remainder 0. Okay, so these numbers are called factors of 10. Now if I write any expression or any number as a product of its factors like 1 and 10, we agreed that they are factors of 10, and now the 10 has been expressed as product means multiplication of its factors, right? Like 1 into 10, okay, or 2 into 5, both of them are product of factors of 10. So if any number or expression is written in this way, means as product of factors, this process is called factorization. Okay. For example, 6, if I write it 3 into 2 into this form, okay, definitely 3 and 2 are factors of 6. Now I have broken down 6 into its factors, right? So product of factors, this process of writing any expression or any number as a product of its factors is called the factorization. Okay, now this factorization can be done in many ways. Okay, one of the process we are going to discuss in today's video. Okay, so in case of polynomial expression, how we can do this factorization? The first expression that we are going to talk about is square expression. Now what we mean by square expression, it will be clear after our discussion, inshallah. So we have two examples here. Okay, these two examples have been chosen from your textbook only. So the first one we will be solving using this formula. I hope you all of you are familiar with this one. That is a square plus 2ab plus b square. We know that it can be written as a plus b whole square, right? So this something square, okay, and any expression that can be written as something square is called a perfect square expression. Okay, so how do I know that this is a perfect square expression? Okay, we need to try to arrange it in this shape. For example, this x square can be written as x whole square, right? And then at the end we have b square, right? So here 9y square, this can be written as 3y whole square. Okay, so we have a square b square. In between we need 2 into a into b. So 2 into a is this one, right? The first one is a, so x is a here into what is b? B is 3y. If I write it, I have to check whether it matches with the given expression or not, given term. So 2 3s are, it is 6 and x into y, xy. So this expression can be written into the shape of this formula. So according to this formula, what we can write? A and then b, a plus b whole square. So here a is x, b is 3y. So a plus b whole square. Okay. Now if we have a plus b whole square, something square means what? That can be written in this way. Like for example, if I have a square, I can write it a into a, correct? So like that, x plus 3y into x plus 3y. So again you can see that this expression has been written down as a product of its factors, right? So that is why we can say that we have factorized the given expression. And as the given expression is a perfect square expression, we can say that we have done the factorization of a perfect square expression. So I hope it is clear. Now let us take a look at the second one. You can see that this one is a little bit longer. Okay, for that actually there is another formula that I don't think you have learned before. That is a square plus sorry Okay, it is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, now this one is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. Okay, so now this expression we need to give a shape of this one. How we can do that? Let us see. X square x whole square y whole square, but we have a square b square here, right? A b, but we need another c square, right? So what can be written as whole square? You can see that there is a 1 here, so this one I can write it as 1 square, because 1 square is 1 only, right? So we have our a, that is x, b, that is y, and c, that is 1, then plus 2 into AB. So A over here is x and B is y. So x, y, plus 2 into BC. B is y and C is 1. So y into 1. Y into 1 plus 2CA. C is 1, A is x. 2 into 1 into x. Okay. So we have given this expression the shape of a formula. So from here what we can write, this is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. A is x, b is y, and c is 1. So a plus b plus c whole square, right? Oh, we have to actually check whether it is matching with the given expression. 2xy, 2xy, you can see, and 2y, 2y, 2 ones are 2 into x, then 2x. It's the same, right? And this one we have written as 1 square. So I did not actually make any change. I just wrote the same expression into the shape of a formula only. Okay, so finally we can write that this is equal to x plus y plus 1 into x plus y plus 1. Okay, so again I have written this expression as a product of its factors. So this will be our answer, and this is the process of factorization of a perfect square expression. So I hope it is clear. Then if you have any doubts, then kindly let me know. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.